Hey, it's Connie, and I have a question for you. Are you making these 3 mistakes on your business Facebook page? What are those mistakes? Let's head over to my computer. Let me screen share with you and show you the 3 mistakes I see all the time, especially when we do audits. Okay, so let's head on over. So one of the biggest mistakes I see when I do an audit of somebody's Facebook business page is they've got link after link after link. Okay. It could be a link to a product, it could be a link to a blog. Facebook does not love for you to send people off of the page. Okay. They want people to stay right there on Facebook. Okay, so can you do links? Yes, but there is a recommended number and some things that you need to put in between things. Okay, so you can see here on this page, we've got link, and you guys, she's got 1 comment, 1 share on a page that has 221,000 followers. That's not a whole lot of people seeing what you're doing. This one has 0 shares. So that's mistake number 1, too many links. And you can see it's link after link after link after link. Okay, mistake number 2, you're not communicating with your folks. You're not building that connection with them. Okay, so are you posting things that are going to get them talking? Why is that even important? Okay, it's important because the way that the algorithm works is the more that they engage, the more that they see you, the more that they're involved, answering questions, etc., the more that you're going to show up in their feed. Okay, so it's an important part of that ecosystem on your Facebook page. So let me show you an example of a page that I manage. Okay, so this was posted literally 3 hours ago. Okay, just a graphic. I just simply have a call to action. Do you agree? Okay, I've already got 24 comments. It's already gotten 164 shares in less than 3 hours. Okay, we also do just some graphics like this. You can see it's reached over 26,000 people. It's had 250 comments, 14 shares. Okay, people love to give their opinion. So that's number 2. Are you asking questions? Okay, and number 3 is, are you using video? Okay, people buy because they've heard your voice, they like you, they trust you. Okay, you can 100% monetize Facebook videos. That just means Facebook puts ads in them just like your YouTube videos. Same videos, different platforms. Okay, this page here in particular has a ton of amazing videos where I'm very strategic. I manage this page. I'm very strategic. You can see it's had 724,000 views in 2 weeks. Okay, here's the thing, you guys. He is making, on average, are you ready? About $1,000 a week. What would $1,000 a week do for your business? Now, yes, there's strategy behind that. Yes, there's some best practice. Yes, your page has to be growing certain sizes, but it's 100% doable for every business. Okay, so are you using video? If not, that's a mistake. Okay, so how do you know what you should be posting, what your page, your cover and your profile and all of that? Let me tell you. Okay, I've put together a Facebook 101. It's going to walk you through all of those pieces. Okay, it's going to tell you what to post, all of that. Okay, and then if you want to review, we do have, I've partnered with a Facebook ad person, and we do have a membership that you can be a part of, that you can get that review. Okay, you can say, hey, can y'all look at my Facebook page? And we'll go in and do a Loom and give you a quick review on that. Okay. So anyway, I hope that you will download that Facebook 101. It's typically $27, but because you're watching this video, I'm going to give it to you for 17. Okay. So download that. It has all the steps that you need.